Welcome to this test prep skill video covering strategies for solving questions on standardized tests such as the SAT, ACT, GRE, MCAT, and DAT. My name is Matthew and I'll be your learning guide for this question. A recent poll among 357 juniors and 592 seniors at a local high school revealed a preference for vending machines over a snack bar. If only 9% of the juniors opposed the measure and only 11% of the seniors also opposed the measure, which of the following is the closest to the total number of juniors and seniors who prefer a snack bar over a vending machine? Keyword here is closest to. We know that we're going to estimate the answer. So it's 9% or 0.09 of 357. It's around 10%. So we'll say 36, maybe take a few off. So we'll go 33. And then we know that we want 11 or 0.11 of 592. 592 is around 600. 11% would be 60 plus a little bit more, say 65-ish. Adding these together, that's 98, and we look for the one that is closest to that, letter B. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when my latest instructional videos are posted. To learn more about how you can accelerate your learning, visit tutoringbymatthew.com and schedule your lesson today.